In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Waze as your default navigation app on Android in 2025. Waze is a fantastic app that many people prefer for its real-time traffic updates and community-driven features. Let's get started and make navigating even easier for you. First things first, before we dive into setting Waze as your default, we need to clear any old defaults that might be set. This ensures there are no conflicts when we switch over. To do this, open your phone's settings. You can usually find the settings icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in, scroll down until you see the apps section. Sometimes it might be listed as apps and notifications, depending on your specific phone model or Android version. Once you're there, tap on Default Apps. Here, you'll find a list of apps that are currently set as defaults for various tasks such as calling, messaging, and navigation. If you see Google Maps or any other navigation app set as the default, select it and tap Clear Defaults. This step is crucial because it removes the previous app's default status, making room for Waze to take its place. With the old defaults cleared, let's move on to the main task, which is setting Waze as your default navigation app. Staying in the default apps section, you'll want to look through the list until you find Waze. It should be there if it's installed on your device. If it's not immediately obvious, you might need to go a level deeper by selecting opening links or supported links. From there, find Waze and select it. By doing this, Waze will now be your go-to navigation app whenever you tap on an address in various applications like email, messages, or even your browser. This is incredibly handy as Waze will launch automatically, providing you with its seamless navigation features without any additional steps. And there you have it. Now, whenever you need to get somewhere using your phone, Waze will be ready to guide you with its crowdsourced traffic reports and smart routing. Remember, having your navigation app set up just the way you like it can make all the difference when you're on the road, saving you both time and frustration. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you've got any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching and happy navigating with